Hello, everybody. I think I've got an easy home upgrade for you here this evening. I've been working my way through the house replacing the plug receptacles, and I wanted one just a little bit different for the kitchen. I wanted to have one that had USB port. Well, I want USB ports all through the house, but in the kitchen I wanted the USB, and I wanted to have angled plugs because this one will go underneath a counter and will be easier, to reach in and work. So, well, I just got out on Amazon and picked this one up, 1597. It's a 5 plug, 3 USB, 1 USB-C surge protector, and the most important part is it's got a little screw that secures this to the existing plug receptacle. That little screw will keep that plug from pulling out. Some of the models I used to get, they just plugged in, and they just came out all the time. So this is a much improved design. 5 plugs, and you can see that how it's angled, so it'll be a little easy. I'm hoping it'll be easier to reach in under the counter. Install is a piece of cake on this. Uh, I think I need to replace that receptacle. It's kind of corroded there. I'm going to get to that in another video. But first, I'll just show you. You take the existing faceplate off. Just plug that in. Boom, you got it. Take the little screw, and it'll reach through there. Screwdriver, and tighten it down, and really that's it. So that's about the easiest kind of a home upgrade you can do, and it'll make a big difference in the actual use of the plug. Those, I'm thinking those angles will be easier to reach and pull out, and then of course you'll always have the USB to get a quick charge on your cell phone. Anyway, take care. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.